River Basin Control Office. Whereas, sabi niya, the integration and harmonization of various government mandates and resources. Kasama na po ang lahat dyan. In the provision of safe and clean water supply and effective flood control management for the entire country is emphasized in the medium-term development plan. Ang laki pala ng mandato nitong opisinang ito. Bakit po, Mr. Director General, did we invite the representative from this office? Kumbaga, yung palang susi ng lahat ng ito. Gawa na kayo ng gawa ng project, DPWH. DBM, bigay ng pundo. Pero yung opisina na mayroong pananagutan na